Welcome to Autocar India Quick News, the one-stop place to get all the latest updates from the automotive world. We'll start the week's news with the upcoming Verna. Hyundai has dropped a new set of teasers, this time revealing an integrated dual-screen setup similar to the one seen on the Ioniq 5 with two 10.25-inch screens, one for the infotainment system and the other for the digital instrument cluster. The next-gen Verna will also get an 8-speaker system tuned by Bose like other Hyundai models. Furthermore, the new Verna will also get segment-first features like a switchable unit for controlling the infotainment system and HVAC and heated seats. In the former, a touch panel houses both controls, which changes its interface and controls at the touch of a button. The upcoming Verna will also get ventilated front seats. The new Verna will debut on the 21st of March, so stay tuned for the latest updates. Sticking to Hyundai, the manufacturer has introduced the new 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine on the Alcazar. Prices for the 1.5 turbo petrol Alcazar start at an ex-showroom price of 16.74 lakh rupees for the entry-level 7-seater Prestige manual variant, going up to 20.25 lakh rupees for the top-spec Alcazar Signature Option 6-seat automatic version. The new 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine makes 160 horsepower and 253 Nm and replaces the aging 2-litre naturally aspirated petrol that churned out 159 horsepower and 192 Nm. The new engine is offered with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The powertrain also packs in auto start-stop tech. Kia is slated to launch the Carens with a diesel IMT powertrain. The new IMT or clutchless manual gearbox will slot between the conventional manual and automatic transmissions. The 115 horsepower 1.5-litre diesel engine too will see updates before the real driving emissions RDE norms come into effect. Kia will also update the base 1.5-litre naturally aspirated engine to make it E20 and RDE compliant. The car maker will replace the 1.4-litre turbo petrol engine with a more powerful 1.5-litre turbo petrol unit. Along with new powertrains, Kia is also likely to introduce new base variants with naturally aspirated petrol and diesel powertrains in a bid to make the MPV more accessible. Kia is also likely to introduce a 5-seat layout with the base variant, which would make the Carens the only MPV in its class with an option of a 5-seat layout. With a low entry price point, Kia could attract Ertiga buyers towards the Carens. Over the week, manufacturers like Mahindra and Mercedes-Benz announced price hikes. Mahindra has announced that the newly launched Thar 1.5 diesel 4x2 will receive its first price hike. The manufacturer has hiked prices of the Thar diesel 4x2 by 50,000 rupees. However, prices for the Thar AX option, 1.5 diesel manual and LX 2-litre automatic variants remain unchanged for now. Mercedes-Benz has announced a price increase of up to 5% across its model range, which will be implemented from April 1st, 2023. The German manufacturer mentioned that the depreciating value of the rupee compared to the euro, along with the increasing input and logistical costs, have been the reasons for the hike this time around. It's not just price hikes this week. Manufacturers like Tata Motors and Maruti Suzuki are offering discounts on their models. Starting the list with Tata Motors, models like the Harrier, Safari, Altroz, Tiago and Tigor are being offered with discounts and benefits of up to 65,000 rupees. Maruti Suzuki, on the other hand, is offering discounts of up to 61,000 rupees across its select Arena lineup of cars. Customers can also avail exchange bonuses, cash discounts and corporate benefits on models like the Alto K10, Alto 800, Celerio, Espresso, Wagoner, Desire and Swift. The brand is also offering discounts on select CNG models in its portfolio. The much-awaited Lamborghini Aventador replacing supercar is long overdue. Now, Lamborghini has released the first set of details which states that the new model, codenamed LB744, will come with a new generation V12 engine and a hybrid powertrain. This new model will usher in a new electrification era for the Italian marque, while also allowing its signature naturally aspirated V12 engine to live on. The new generation V12, which Lamborghini refers to as L545, has a capacity of 6.5 litres, and Lamborghini says it is the lightest and the most powerful engine the car maker has ever made. The engine weighs 218 kg, making it 17 kg lighter than the one in the Aventador, while still producing 825 horsepower at 9,250 rpm and 725 Nm at 6,750 rpm. The unit also emits 30% lower CO2 emissions than the Aventador Ultimate's 779 horsepower power plant. The hybrid tech would draw its electric power from a 3.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery mounted within the transmission tunnel to keep the car's center of gravity as low as possible. It can be changed either through an external 7 kilowatt current, which takes 30 minutes, or by a combination of regenerative braking and the petrol engine, which Lamborghini claims takes as little as 6 minutes. Lamborghini has also developed a brand new 8-speed gearbox. Let us know in the comments about your thoughts on Lamborghini's decision to keep its iconic V12 alive. The 2023 Women's World Car of the Year award has been given to the Kia Niro. The winner was announced on International Women's Day and was voted by 63 female motoring journalists from 43 countries, including Autocar India's Renuka Kriplani. The Kia Niro also won in the Best Urban Car category, while the India-bound Nissan X-Trail won in the Best Large SUV category. Here is the list of other categories and their winners. It's award season, and next on the list is the World Car of the Year awards. Last month, World Car Awards released the list of 10 finalists for the top honor. Out of these, the new BMW X1 and its EV counterpart iX1, Hyundai Ioniq 6 and the Kia Niro made the cut into the top 3. Along with selecting the top 3 for the highest award, 3 cars were also selected under each category. Here's a look at the 3 finalists in their respective categories. The World Car Awards jury consists of 100 distinguished automotive journalists from over 30 countries, including Horma Sorabji, editor of Autocar India, and Renuka Kriplani, executive editor, Video Autocar India, and editor of the Autocar India show. The jury will announce the winners on April 3rd, so stay tuned. Now switching over to some bike news. We start the list with the launch of Hero MotoCorp's Super Splendor Xtec. Hero has launched the Super Splendor Xtec at a starting price of Rs 83,368 for the drum brake variant, while the disc brake equipped variant costs 87,268 rupees. The new Super Splendor Xtec is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, which displays incoming call and SMS alert, as well as the phone's battery level. In addition, there is a real-time fuel efficiency indicator as well. Hero claims that the bike delivers 68 kpl. Visually, the Super Splendor Xtec gets a few tweaks in the form of new LED headlight, visor, dual-tone stripes and rim tapes. The bike is available in 3 colors: gloss black, candy blazing red and matte axis grey. Hero has commenced the bookings for the Super Splendor Xtec. Ola Electric has announced a number of offers on its e-scooters for the ongoing Holi festive period. These festive period offers include 2,000 rupees off from the S1's price, up to 4,000 rupees off on the S1 Pro, and an exchange discount of up to 45,000 rupees. Additionally, customers also get exclusive offers worth up to 6,999 at Ola's experience centers. The company is offering its community members 50% off on Ola Care Plus after-sale subscriptions and extended warranties this weekend across all its experience centers. And that concludes the news for this week. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.